Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be doing what I like to call a teaspoon test. So you can see here we've got our teaspoon and we've got two dirty wheels and two different cleaning products. So we are going to compare a generic cleaning product compared to PM 1001 truck wash and see how each performs with just a single teaspoon of product. So here we go. Alright, so you can see here we've got our generic cleaning product, and you can get a bit of an idea of the viscosity. So we'll just pour out a teaspoon of that. And then we've got our PM Lubrication. And you can see the viscosity of that one. So we've got two identical rags, and we'll go ahead and start scrubbing. And you should be able to start to see how this product is performing and how the PM is performing. So already with just a teaspoon of product and the same amount of scrubbing, you still got quite a bit of dirt on here, and here you can already start to see the silver of the wheel. So we'll go ahead and keep going. So you can see here, we are starting to get through the dirt with our generic product, where the PM Lubrication has done a pretty good job cutting down to the clean metal, whereas this one you're kind of moving dirt around. Alright, so we started scrubbing the whole wheel all the way around, and you can see our generic product here is still kind of just moving dirt around, whereas our PM truck wash has actually started cutting through it all the way around the wheel. So I think we could probably finish off this wheel with just the one teaspoon, but to really get this one clean, we're probably going to have to use more product. So as you can see, they'll both get the job done, but you may have to use more of the generic product than you would of the PM truck wash, and it might take you a little bit longer. PM 1001 will clean these wheels with less effort and less product.